Rainbow Dash is alone in the forest. Suddenly, Pinkie Pie was discovered walking into Rainbow Dash very happily and hiding behind the bushes. Pinkie Pie went in but couldn't find Rainbow Dash anywhere, so she eagerly searched for her. Suddenly Rainbow Dash comes out and threatens to scare Pinkie Pie. Because she was so scared, Pinkie Pie kept hiccuping. The hiccups haven't stopped yet. Rainbow Dash wanted to use a feather to help Pinkie Pie get rid of her hiccups, but because she didn't want to, Pinkie Pie refused to cooperate. Rainbow Dash uses the next method to give Pinkie Pie water.
Okay.
This time Pinkie Pie listened and followed suit by drinking water. I drank so much water that my stomach was bloated.
No.
Rainbow Dash told Pinkie Pie to drink the last cup even though she didn't want to, but Pinkie Pie tried and drank the last cup. Pinkie Pie drank too much water and wanted to go to the bathroom, but Rainbow Dash told her to hold on. Pinkie Pie refused to listen and went to the toilet. After going to the bathroom, Pinkie Pie continued to have hiccups.
Wait a minute.
Rainbow Dash took some ice and put it in a bowl. Pinkie Pie still doesn't understand what's going on. And then all the ice was put into his mouth. Forced to swallow ice, Pinkie Pie now feels cold and shivers, but the hiccups haven't stopped yet, which makes Pinkie Pie very angry.
Sorry.
Rainbow Dash said one last time and Pinkie Pie also agreed.
Okay.
Rainbow Dash used the old method of threatening to startle Pinkie Pie and her hiccups stopped.
Thank you.
The music is so exciting. Oh my god, Luffy and Pinkie Pie bounced on the sofa and broke it in half. Pinkie Pie was angry and blamed Luffy.
I'm sorry.
Suddenly a phone call came.
Hello?
It turned out to be Twilight Sparkle announcing she was coming home.
Oh no!
Pinkie Pie is very confused and doesn't know how to handle the sofa. First clean up the room. Pinkie Pie uses a hammer to repair the chair. Was the chair successfully repaired? Oh no, the chair still can't be fixed. Pinkie Pie then thought of going to PA shop to buy a new chair to replace the broken one. The first chair was made of a tree that could be watered to create beautiful flowers.
Wow!
The second chair is made of tiger skin. What? The chair turns into a tiger.
Oh my god!
Still not having a chair that I'm satisfied with is really difficult. Twilight Sparkle returns to find the chair broken.
Oh my god! Huh?
Pinkie Pie admitted her mistake and recounted the incident that caused the chair to break in half.
I'm so sorry.
Twilight Sparkle warns Pinkie Pie not to play like that on the chair next time because it will damage the furniture. Then Twilight Sparkle used her magic to repair the chair back to its original state. Applejack was lying happily playing with the apple.
Huh?
Oh no, where's the apple? It turned out that Pinkie Pie was trolling Applejack. She squeezed apple juice on Apple's face.
Stop now!
Applejack angrily chased after him. Oh my god! The three ponies ran into each other and cried.
Oh! Help me!
Mitsuri appeared to help the ponies whose tails were tangled.
Wow! Let's go! Yes!
Let's start from the tail of Applejack. Mitsuri trimmed her tail.
Huh? Huh?
Wow, your hands are so flexible and skillful. The new tail is done. It's so lovely and adorable.
Oh! Wow! Thank you!
Tie it back neatly and you're done.
Come in!
Next is Pinkie Pie.
Okay.
She has outstanding pink fur.
Oh!
Mitsuri used a comb to untangle it, but it became more tangled, making Pinkie Pie unhappy.
Oh!
Use water to help soften your hair so it will be easier to handle. So it's smooth and shiny again.
Yes! Bye-bye!
Finally, there's little girl Rainbow Dash.
Hey! Hey!
Don't cry anymore, I will help you.
Help me! Okay!
This time it's very quick because you just need to wash the fur
Wow.
again and it will be clean. Wow! A great Halloween and costume contest!
Everyone!
Fluttershy Pony skillfully flew on a magic broom onto the stage. Then Pinkie Pie with a mummy costume came in full of fun. Who dressed up as a pumpkin?
Huh?
It turned out to be Rainbow Dash. However, due to the fall, the pumpkin broke. Fluttershy quickly pulled Rainbow Dash in.
Wait a minute.
Fluttershy will design a more beautiful outfit for Rainbow.
Wow!
Go to the pumpkin garden and choose suitable fruits for your outfit. Over the top with smooth cuts. The body is finished and the hat remains. Rainbow wondered if the pumpkin items Fluttershy prepared.
Oh. Huh?
Wow! So beautiful and fashionable. Very cute. Rainbow hugged you to express her thanks. On stage, the audience is upset that the contestants left like that. Three young people perform together on a splendid stage. Pinkie Pie is watching mukbang videos. Pinkie Pie's eyes suddenly glowed because she felt that eating chili would be delicious. Pinkie Pie has prepared a plate of chili. Oh no, if Pinkie Pie eats the entire plate of chili at once, it will be spicy.
Help me!
TV woman heard Pinkie Pie's cry for help and rushed in.
Oh, what happened?
Pinkie Pie tells why she needs TV woman's help.
What? Huh? Ah.
Oh my god, Pinkie Pie's tongue is burning because it's so spicy.
Sorry.
TV woman uses a magnifying glass to observe Pinkie Pie's mouth to easily help Pinkie Pie. Oh no, Pinkie Pie's oral cavity is terrible and needs to be treated promptly. Treat stains first. What? The blisters are larger and more provocative.
Oh my god! Huh? Oh no! Ah!
Unexpectedly, the blisters dodged very skillfully and made the TV woman feel very angry. You still can't control it. Other measures must be used. Haha, finally got it under control. Ultimately, the blisters are eliminated. TV woman applies medicine to eliminate canker sores. Next is to treat the blisters. Heat stains and blisters have been completely eliminated.
Thank you!
TV woman advised Pinkie Pie not to eat too many chili peppers at once. Oh wow, there's a flower.
Uh-huh.
Water the flowers to bloom quickly. The flower bud has bloomed into a sunflower. A small sun flew out. A man appeared with bad intentions.
Wow!
Oh no, Amanda stole the flower pot. Water the flowers to bloom quickly. Did Pinkie Pie come up with some idea? One new type of seed. Pinkie Pie returned but couldn't find her flower pot anywhere. Pinkie Pie started planting a new potted plant. Water to help keep the soil moist. First, we will put soil into the pot. Finally, fertilize the plants so they grow quickly. With careful care, the tree is grown.
Oh!
Pinkie Pie feels very satisfied with her achievements.
Wow!
Wow, that's Chomper. Does Pinkie Pie have any ideas?
Huh?
Pinkie Pie hid behind a tree and waited.
La 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 la.
Oh, it's Amanda again.
Huh? Oh my god!
Amanda was punished for stealing the flower pot.
Help me! Help me!
Amanda realized her mistake, which is great. Pinkie Pie was walking on the street. She saw a soft drink and lying indiscriminately picked it up and threw it in the trash. Rarity didn't notice, so she stepped on a banana peel. She tried to keep her balance so she wouldn't fall. Pinkie Pie was so kind. She pulled Rarity back, helped Rarity stand.
Are you okay? Huh? Thank you.
Rarity thanks Pinkie Pie for helping her out. Oh my god, a house is on fire and someone is inside.
Oh my god!
Pinkie Pie appeared in time. She took the hose to put out the fire. Pinkie Pie tries to open the door, to save the people inside. Blue was rescued, but he doesn't seem to be moving. Pinkie Pie has figured out a way to wake up Blue. Do you guys see how Pinkie Pie's method works? Is it effective?
Wow! Thank you!
Blue thanked Pinkie Pie and raised her heart to her. At that moment, A cry for help was heard from afar. Pinkie Pie quickly rushed there. Green discovered that the train tracks were broken, which is really dangerous for the oncoming train.
Oh my gosh! Stop! Stop!
What happened?
What will happen here? After knowing the situation, what will Pinkie Pie do?
Oh my gosh!
Pinkie Pie uses spider silk to temporarily patch train tracks. Train tracks have been repaired. The train was safe, nothing happened.
Yeah! Wow!
In the bedroom, Pinkie Pie and Twilight Sparkle are having a good night's sleep.
Huh?
Oh whoa, a food table with two separate colors, blue and pink.
Yay!
Mukbang with the two of us.
Oh.
Where's Pinkie Pie running to? Any new food?
Oh my god!
A bucket of pink paint has been spilled on the floor by Pinkie Pie. What to do? What a great idea! Turn this room pink. Oh whoa, the room is so pretty, looks like the princess room. Pinkie Pie pours the rest of the paint into the paint sprayer. She will turn the bed pink. Change the curtains to pink.
Oh.
A set of strawberry-shaped bedding, so pretty.
Huh?
Pinkie Pie invites Rainbow Dash into her room. See her pink room.
Huh?
Rainbow Dash doesn't seem happy, because she doesn't like pink. Rainbow Dash turns half of her room blue, but Pinkie Pie is angry about it. Since no one would accept anyone, the two turned their house into two different colors.
Hello! Oh no! Oh! La 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 la. Huh? Stop now! Hey! Hey Huh? Huh? I'm sorry. Stop it right now! Stop! Wow! Wow!
Is anyone at home? Oh my god, Startle. Look. Small matter, as long as you can give me all the gold and silver jewels I need. Here is your item.
Wow!
I have to use it now. Oh, the fur is gone. I really like it. Oh no, what happened? I used the wax the witch gave me, but for some reason, after using it, my leg hair grew more. Stop crying. Let me take care of everything.
Don't worry.
To see what's the situation, please select the service package you want to use.
Diamond.
Please give me diamond package.
Okay.
Lie on the bed. First, you have to remove makeup. Why is it so dirty? Pour the whole bottle of makeup remover and see how it goes. Hates, that's a bit cleaner. Next will come the step of exfoliating with coffee beans. Now use this hair removal gel. Apply evenly on both feet. Use a laser machine for further processing. Wipe away the hairs. Finally a little cream. A pair of bare feet without a hair.
Okay, done.
Take care of your feet with these products.